literally sitting on the ground. Let's hope you can hear me. If not, this is going to be a voiceover. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. Thank you. Alright, here we go. I think we got... Oh, look at this! Oh my goodness. How cute. And it's got my name. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. I love these. Oh, wow. Alright, let's try the one. Had these on before. There we go. Fits perfect. I love these. These are my favorite colors. Love, love, love. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, wow. Look at these. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going with these. There we are. There is more. Oh wow. It just keeps getting better. I'm losing pieces. I am losing pieces. Oh no. Oh no. I think something came undone in the trip. Look at that. Gorgeous. Uh-oh. Let's see what came undone. Oh no, something came undone. That's okay. That is okay. Something came undone. This one's beautiful. Thank you. My favorite colors. This one, uh-oh, we'll have to try and fix it. I see where it was happening, but yeah. This one didn't make the trip, but that's okay. It came from far. There we go. Beautiful. Very summery. That's quite the stack. Love them. And some earrings to match. So cute. Cannot wait to wear these. What else is in there? Cute note. That's awesome. Thank you. That's going on my keys. Can't wait to have a bath with these. Thank you guys so much. They smell really good too. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I'll be wearing these permanently. Alrighties. Take care, you guys. Here we go. Now, I have to sit on the floor. I'll sit on the floor. Okay. Okay. Okay, you have no idea what I went through to just set this up. I kind of cut it already. Alright. I'm guessing this is the good stuff. Oh heavens. What is this? Oh. Hey, Bruce.